Hi guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel, and today I am going to show something very retro from my childhood. Not a watch review, just something I bought off Amazon. A simple handheld 8-bit gaming console that really takes me back to the 90s when I was a kid and I used to really enjoy all those TV console video games, the 8-bit ones, Mario, Contra, and all those Mortal Kombat, Karateka, Road Fighter, and whatnot. So this is the game I bought from Amazon in 500 bucks. There was a good sale going on, and this is what I have got. So as they say, it is BIS marked and all, but I really doubt it. I think this could be something Chinese that has been rebranded as some Indian. But anyways, if it has been properly imported to the country by paying all the custom duties, license fee, etc., etc., I think this is worth it. So this is the TV out, adapter in, power, and all the volume, adjust arrow keys, game controls, all the accessories, etc., etc. So this is the AV cable to connect it to the TV and get those retro feel back of the 90s. So this is the USB charging cable that I will be needing. Then comes the gaming console itself. So these are the gaming controls. This is the game start button. No, so the power on button. This is the USB charger. This is the AV out cable hole. This is the volume control. So I will simply go ahead and switch the game on. This has started. The music is playing, and definitely all the Chinese stuff here, but I will go and select English. So here it is Mario, and I am again super excited to show you. Just press start, and everything is like the 90s. And it might take me some practice to get back to the earlier form that I was in when I used to play these games for hours. Not that good, but the controls are really smooth and I'm really enjoying this. But anyways, so let me show you other game. I will simply reset it and I will again select English, and there is Contra. Wow, this is something like oh my god, is it the same Contra? Yes, it is, and I will same music and same everything. So I will simply go ahead shooting everything. This is nice again. Oh, I am dead again. Anyways, I will reset it. Then you will have all those retro games like Road Fighter as well. This is one of the really nice game that I used to play back then, and I would love playing that. This is 401. I mean, just look at the technology. Earlier, there was individual cassette for each and every game. I think hardly 4 to 5 games, and now 400 games in one single device. The electronics has really evolved, and so has the technology. So this is the game that I have recently purchased. So you can definitely go ahead, give it a try, or if you really want to spend some money on premium ones, go ahead. But anyways, as I have bought this off Amazon with had a really good review, so I think this is worth it. So not a watch review this time, just something for fun, because today is my weekday and there is not much work for me to do. So thanks for being on the channel. Do like, share and subscribe, and I will also come back with more gadgets and fun. Bye.